In this video, I will walk you through an Omni Creatine Gummies review to see if these chewables are a worthy successor to traditional powders. When comparing these to your standard creatine monohydrate tub, the most immediate contrast is the convenience factor. For $49.99, you are trading the lower cost of bulk powder for a portable, mess-free experience. A standout feature here is the watermelon flavor, which eliminates the gritty texture and chalky aftertaste often associated with unflavored supplements. While powders usually offer a lower price per gram, Omni positions itself as a premium option at 56 cents per count. The trade-off is clear. You pay more for the ease of not needing a shaker bottle. For those who prioritize a quick routine, the subscribe and save option brings the price down to as low as $42.49, making the gap smaller. In a side-by-side comparison, the gummies win for travelers and office workers, while the powder remains king for the budget-conscious athlete. This specific watermelon formula is designed for anyone tired of the liquid prep, though keep in mind it is non-returnable due to food safety regulations once it arrives. Whether you choose the one-time purchase or a recurring delivery, the focus here is strictly on simplifying your stack. I hope this helps you decide if it is time to ditch the scoop. If you found this comparison useful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more supplement breakdowns. Let me know in the comments if you prefer gummies or traditional powder for your workouts.